Today I'm going to show you a 2002 Gore 2-horse straight load. This is a really great used trailer. If you're familiar with the Gore name, you know how wonderful they are. The people that own this trailer have actually just upgraded to a new model. Also staying with the Gore. They love the trailer. It's been a great trailer for them. The trailer is 6 feet wide and 7'6" tall. It has an enormous dressing room. I'm going to tell you it's 7 feet. I've done the math before. Forgive me for not remembering right now, but I think that's a 7-foot floor. It does have a stain where it's leaked previously. That is not wet. Nothing in there is leaking. It's just stained. The trailer has 2 saddle racks with 2 blanket bars, full row bridle hooks, and a crank out camper vent. Windows in the nose, of course. If you're familiar with the Gore trailer, you know they are a steel chassis, aluminum frame, and aluminum skin. And they have this great, nice, cool fiberglass roof. So on the hot days, that roof is going to keep your horses nice and cool. We've got full-length running boards, diamond-plated running boards on the Gore trailer. We've got a camper door with a screen door there. Of course, the paint's not perfect. It's a 2002 model trailer, but it's really not in terrible shape. But you can see where some of the paint is worn off over the years. The trailer also has an extra foot here between the breast bar and the wall. So standard, you're going to have 3 feet from breast bar to wall. This particular trailer has 4 feet to give those larger horses a little more head and neck room. We've got a removable head divider that'll swing out of the way or is removable. Removable padded body divider, padded wall, and of course padded breast and butt bars. Again, the Gore is a steel frame, steel chassis, aluminum frame, aluminum skin, and that nice, super cool fiberglass roof. Full-length diamond-plated running boards. Rear ramp with top curtains with windows. Those windows slide open for transportation. You can tie them back. Helicopter zone today, so I just wanted to wait and show you this. The tires are a 2018. All the tires were replaced in 2018, so they're in great shape. It's been through our shop, been through the mechanic. Everything is great in the wheels. I do believe we replaced a bearing or 2 in a wheel. Had the bearings packed, but all that's been inspected and is in great shape. No soft spots in the ramp. Again, you've got the top doors with windows, so you can ride with the windows slid open or tie those doors back on the super hot days. It's a really, really nice used trailer. They've taken great care of it. 2002 model Gore straight load gooseneck with lots of extra footage. Tons of room in that dressing room, and then an extra foot in front of the horses for those long-necked, larger animals. Current Virginia state inspection, of course. All the lights inside and out work. Wheels are in great shape. Running gear's all in great shape. Structurally, the trailer is outstanding. The paint is used. Trailer is available at Trailer Country LLC in Carrollton, Virginia. All the specs can be seen at www.trailercountryllc.com.